Hello everyone, welcome to technologyglance. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to disable downloading of your photos or videos on BuzzCast. Make sure to watch the whole video to learn how. Let's begin. First, open up BuzzCast on your mobile device. Tap on the 3 icon at the bottom right of your screen. Tap on the settings icon at the top right of your screen. Now go ahead and tap on privacy settings. Scroll down a bit and disable the button that reads "Photos or videos posted are allowed to be downloaded." Now the photos or videos that you have posted on BuzzCast cannot be downloaded. And that's it. I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, please click the thumbs up button. If you have any questions or thoughts, type them in the comments below. And don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more updates. Click the bell icon too so you'll know when we post a new video. We'll be back with another video soon. Thanks for watching.